In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is a popular email service that offers a range of features for both personal and business use. One of those features is the ability to easily manage your contacts. So let's walk through the process of adding a contact step by step so you can keep your address book up to date. First, you need to start by navigating to your Zoho Mail homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. This sidebar contains various options for managing your email account, and here is where you'll find the Contacts tab. Click on Contacts to proceed. This will take you to the Contacts section, where you can view, add, and manage all your contact information. Next, look for the Import Contacts option. This is generally located towards the top of the Contacts page. By clicking on this, you're given the option to import your contacts from various sources. This feature is particularly useful if you're migrating from another email service or if you have a list of contacts saved in a different format, such as a CSV file. Now, you'll need to decide where you want to import your contacts from. Zoho Mail provides several options, including other email services or files on your computer. You can select the source that best suits your needs. For example, if you have a contacts file on your computer, you can simply upload it here. This flexibility makes it easy to consolidate all your contacts in one place. Once you've selected the source, it's time to choose the specific contacts you want to import. If you're importing from a file, make sure the file is formatted correctly to ensure a smooth transfer. If you're importing from another service, you may need to grant Zoho Mail permission to access your contacts. After you've made your choices, confirm your selections and the import process will begin. And there you have it. Your new contacts should now be added to your Zoho Mail address book. This process not only helps you manage your contacts efficiently, but also ensures that you have all the necessary contact information at your fingertips whenever you need it. That wraps up our tutorial on adding contacts in Zoho Mail. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now more comfortable using Zoho Mail's contact management features. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.